Good morning students, I am Kuldeep Singh. Today I am going to explain the very important topic, that is refraction through a lens. Refraction through a lens means it refracts the rays through a lens. In the class 9th we had discussed about the mirror, and mirror and lens totally are of opposite in nature, because mirror is a case of reflection. It reflects the rays and bouncing back the rays, but this lens pass the rays through it and bending the rays from it. That means it bend the rays. It suppose the rays are coming and it reflect the rays at this point. It passing the rays and at this point it shows the reflection at one point. So what is lens? Lens, first of all, lens is a transparent. It is a transparent and it passes the rays through it either in the two spherical surface. Two types of lenses are there. So first of all, two types of, in my writing students, in my writing the types are, name is clear. So when I am writing the name, you just see how I am writing. So first type is convex. X I am just keeping it big. So this y, there is a reason. So just make it this X like this, because it is thick at the center and thin at the, it is thin at the periphery. This is called as periphery. We can say periphery, or it is called as edges also. And it is bulge. Bulge means big, bulge from the center, or thick from the, bulge means thick or big at the center. So convex lens is a lens which is thick from the center and thin from the periphery or at the edges. This is called as convex lens. And another name is convex lens, another name is just put a RGE. What is the meaning? CONVERGE. Converge, it converges the rays, means it collecting the rays at one point. So this is a convex lens. Suppose rays are coming from the side, so when I am bringing this one, so it converges the rays at this point. It converges the rays. So this is the converging lens. The another name of convex lens is called as converging lens. Students, very important question, 1 marks question the ICSE is supposed to ask. Name the converging lens. Name the converging lens. Which lens is a converging lens? So convex lens is a converging lens. Is it clear? Next one is a, we are having a concave. That means opposite to the convex. So concave lens is like this lens. It is thin from the center. This is thick from the center. This is thin from the center. And this one is thick from the periphery. This one is thick from the periphery or thick from the edges, and this is thin from the center. Is it clear? So this is a concave lens. This is a concave lens, and its another name is diverging lens. Diverging, it diverges the rays, it giving the rays to the another side. This is the, I am having, this is thick from the periphery and this is thin from the periphery and thick from the center. This is thin from the center. So this one, see, it converges the rays at this point. Okay, whereas will it give? No, this will not. It will reflect the rays. It will just reflecting the rays in the another direction. So two types, three types are there of convex. First one is biconvex. Bi means both side the convex shape is there. Second one is plano-convex. Plano. First one is we are having a. First one we are having a biconvex, means both sides are convex in shape. Biconvex shape. Second one is one side plane and one side convex shape. This is plano convex. plano-convex. The third one is very important topic, that is one side is concave and another one side is convex. That means concavo-convex. Concavo-convex. And students, always keep in mind that if you are explaining the convex lens, that means concave name should be first. In the next topic also we will discuss, when we are discussing about the this concave lens, then convexo-concave will be there. This is concavo-convex because convex type of convex. If it is a type of convex, then convex name should be at the last. Okay. Then one is a next topic is we are having a concave. That means two side concave, biconcave. Same way, both sides are concave. This is biconcave. Second one side plane and one side is concave plane and one side is a concave. Then this is plano-concave. This is plano-concave. And third one we are having a convexo-concave. One side is convex and one side is a concave. So this is convexo-concave. These are the types. So very action of a lens at a set of prism. What is the name? What is the another name of the convex lens? Then it is a concave. It is a converging lens. Do you know why it is called as a converging lens? The question will arise that convex, its another name is converging lens. Why the convex is called as a converging? Why? It converges the rays. So see, this is the convex. This is the convex lens. This is the convex lens. So split into three parts. One part up and one part down. This above part is a one type of a prism. It is a one type of prism. You know that prism always reflect the rays in the base, into the base. So its base is at the downward. This is prism having the base downward. This is also a prism having the base upward. And second one in the middle there is a slab, rectangular slab. This is rectangular slab, rectangular glass slab. You can say glass slab. In the previous video we have discussed about the glass slab and the prism. Okay, and prism always reflect the rays in the downward side. So now listen, when the rays comes, it pass in the prism and it always bend the rays toward the in the base side. So it bend the rays toward the down side. And if the rays comes from this side, it bend toward the base side. Base is in the upward direction, so it bend the rays toward the upward side. Okay, now what is in the center? Center is the glass slab, and when rays hit at the 90-degree angle, will it deviate? No, it will not deviate. It will pass undeviated in the straight. So it reflect the rays in the converging the rays, because the prism, one prism is on the upside, which is the base downward. It bent the rays in the downward direction, and having downward side, the base is a prism having base upward side, which bend the rays toward the upside. So all the rays are converge at a point. So this name is called as converging lens. It is a converging the rays because of these two prism. One is base downward and another one is base upward. So prism always bend the rays toward the base side, toward the downward side. So it is called as converging lens. Clear? Next one, we are having a concave lens. What is another name of concave lens? That is the diverging. How it is the diverging lens action? Diverging, how it diverges the rays? It is like this only. So similarly, you can split this lens also into three parts. one part here and second part here. What is in that? This one is also a prism having the base upward, and on the above side the base is upward, and this downward side the base is downward side. Okay, so this is the rectangular glass slab. When the rays comes, it hit as they pass into the prism and it bend toward the base side. This is the base side, so it reflect the rays in the upward side. Same way, when rays comes in the down side, it always bend down toward the base side, so it is base is downward, so it diverging the rays from the center. So rays comes, it goes undeviated. So the convergent action of a convex lens and divergent action of a concave lens is very important. And if you have a doubt in this section, so kindly ask me in the comment section. Thank you.